What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I've been in school, so it's kind of hard to vlog when you're in school and have essays and tests in the same week. So, but I'm with my brother and we're going to look at apartments. So, jealous of the rain. I'm jealous of the wind that ripples through your clothes. It's closer than your shadow. One of these if you go through the hula hoop.
You got a better chance of going through the hula hoop than a dog. Good job! You sit at home.
Now turn around. I'm tired. New York Fashion Week 2017. Unlock the door. You know I thought I had broke. Like, who wears that out? Who wears this? And then I have stains on my shirt. This is not okay.
That's really obnoxious.
Spa.
This is London.
Right, you gonna get some comments.
We bathe in couture, Givenchy. This is the exclusive collection. It comes with a pup.
Keep crying.
I don't even say that on camera.
You gotta edit it.
That's fine.
What you done did?
Burrito said to pick up some sandals instead of got her these grandma sandals.
What size? I'm trying to bring them to
What?
me.
Thank you, Sam. I appreciate it.
Right, they ain't that bad.
What size are they?
Sam, you look like you would buy them shoes. Not the strap of the bag.
I don't owe you nothing for them.
They're not them Jesus sandals.
I like them Jesus sandals.
I smell your breath from over here.
Sam said,
She's so ugly.
you know,
Trying to kiss him. Smell man himself. I'm sorry, you a girl. You just fat. You just ugly. Charge your
Mama
hand.
told me not to sell. Word.
You can't find it online?
Same color
That's
t-shirt.
Go ahead and put the baby in that dog.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe and comment, and I'll be back at it again.